Shanik cold brew coffee maker. Perfect iced coffee maker, iced tea maker. Measured glass with handle and spout. Stainless steel filter and silicone base. Easy to clean cleaning brushes. Incl 32 ounces homemade cold coffee. Ever wonder why iced coffee tastes so good at coffee shops? Many of them cold brew it instead of waiting for hot coffee to cool down. Now you can do the same at home with this cold brew iced coffee maker. It tastes so much better than brewing it with hot water. Gourmet Brews, our manual coffee brewer, helps you whip up the most gourmet brews right in your own home. Cold brewed coffee means that you get the delicious flavor of the beans, but without any of the bitterness that occurs when you brew it with hot water. You won't be disappointed. High quality materials, the cold brew coffee maker, glass and stainless steel, ensure that this is a product that will last you for a long time. It also has a silicone base to avoid breaking it when you move it or set it down. The base is also narrow, so it's easy to slip inside the fridge door. Infused iced teas. This iced coffee maker can also make delicious iced tea. If your preference is drinking tea, you can easily prepare it cold and keep it in your fridge so you have a glass waiting whenever you like. It can also be used for other cold drinks like lemonades or other fruit drinks. Easy to clean. You won't have to worry about a mess with this coffee maker with tea brewer. You can easily rinse it and use the included extra long brushes to clean the inside and get rid of all the coffee residue so it is squeaky clean for your next batch. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.